Take a second and read what's on the screen. Exponents are a shortcut for multiplication. The base is the number, and the exponent tells how many times it's used. Same base and multiplying. We add the exponents. Same base and dividing. We subtract the exponents. An exponent on an exponent. We multiply the exponents. Anything to the 0 power equals 1. Just remember that. Negative means it's on the wrong side. Flip it to the denominator. Don't memorize problems. Memorize patterns. Multiply, divide, or power. The rule tells you what to do. Pause here and attempt these examples. After that, press play to see the solution built visually, one step at a time. Don't memorize problems. Memorize patterns. Multiply, divide, or power. The rule tells you what to do.